Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram message unsend not working, Instagram message not deleting. Okay, let's start the video. Can't unsend or delete message. Don't worry, I show you how to fix it. So without any further delay, let's fix this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Now tap on update. It has been updated. Now open your Instagram apps. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot icon in the corner. Scroll down. Now tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Now tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Now type your problem here. Messages are not deleting on my Instagram account and the unsend option is not working. Please fix this issue. Thank you. You can use the format I provided in this video. Now tap on send. Instagram will contact you soon and resolve this issue as quickly as possible. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.